Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is mushroom. Right, it's these are 5-day-old shiitake. Hey guys, I'm harvesting our 5-day-old shiitake mushroom. All right, 5-day. Lagi kadiyot lang nak. Alright, it's all for now, and tingnan natin in the next 5 days kung we can harvest the same. Okay, time for the kitchen. Tingnan na, magluto tayo ng simpleng vegetable guisado with shiitake, or I don't know what to call this recipe. Hindi ko alam. Yeah, basically try natin gisa. Basically, simple recipe. We won't use any special flavoring or just one piece white onion. Siguro lagyan ng Chinese pechay, and yeah, ano lang siguro, just put salt and a pinch of sugar. And let's see how it tastes, para hindi masira yung flavor ng mushroom.
Ma'am, nagdako ba siya o hindi?
Yes, marami siyang kinuha sa bahay namin.
Pero ma'am, nung siya raw umalis,
Yes, kasi ako, may room ako sa bahay ng parents ko. So, weird ng laman ng bag niya. Sige, sabihin ko na.
sige po.
Mga wig, mga iba-ibang color na wig, mahaba, maikli, mga 90s, mga ganyan, laman ng bag niya.
Kasi galing po yun
Mga binigay ng mami ko sa kanya, wala doon. Pero hindi na namin